Join the American Meteorological Society by becoming a member of the band. The AMS Weather Band is a global community of weather enthusiasts dedicated to learning and sharing their love of science. Visit amsweatherband.org to learn more and join the band today.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Friday, the 12th of March. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather over the weekend, warm and mostly dry. Then some strong storms will likely affect the state on Monday and then again Wednesday of next week. So let's take a look at things this afternoon. There's the upper air look across the country. And we have an upper air high over the Gulf of Mexico, nosing in here from the south, keeping us warm and dry. And a really big storm coming into Southern California in the southwest United States. That's going to create a major snowstorm for parts of Colorado, Wyoming, and Nebraska this weekend. There's the visible satellite view. The sky mostly sunny across the state. Got some thicker clouds over the northwestern counties of the state. But even there, they're getting some sunshine. That was the radar at 2:08. We had a few scattered showers over Tennessee. Alabama is dry. And very mild. We have 80 this afternoon for Centerville, Utah, and Demopolis. Tuscaloosa, 78. Anniston, 77. We'll see highs around 80 for the weekend. And around the region, Jackson, Mississippi, 80. Shreveport, Louisiana, at 83. There's the watch warning map. We have flash flood watches in effect for parts of Kansas, Missouri, the southern tip of Illinois, northeast Oklahoma. Winter storm warnings in effect for parts of Wyoming and Colorado. A red flag warning for parts of New Mexico for the wildfire danger there, and also some wind issues up in the northeast United States. Got a chance of severe storms for the rest of today and tonight for parts of Texas, Oklahoma, and Kansas. Tomorrow, an enhanced risk near the Texas-Oklahoma line between Amarillo and Oklahoma City. And then on day 3, which is Sunday, we have a risk of severe storms, mainly west of the state. We have a slight risk from Memphis right down the Mississippi River. That marginal risk clipping the northwestern corner of the state. And this outlook runs through 7 a.m. Monday. And then after 7 a.m. Monday, at the moment, SPC does not have a risk defined, but I wouldn't be shocked if we were to see some type of at least a marginal risk coming up for Alabama on Monday. We'll talk more about that in just a second. This is the rain for the next 7 days. Pretty wet down through here as the pattern flips from dry to wet. We're expecting rain amounts next week, mostly between 2 and 4 inches. And this is suggesting there might be some 5-inch rain totals for parts of northeast Alabama. So model fans, here we go. The GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 3. Got the upper high across the Gulf. We have the strong storm in the southwest United States. A surface low is south of Denver with big snows developing there. And ahead of that, south and east of the surface low, severe storms a possibility. But for us, the day should be mostly dry. And again, there might be an isolated shower over the Tennessee Valley. Most of the state dry, partly sunny, highs around 80, much like today. Sunday, snow continues in Colorado, parts of Nebraska, Wyoming. The dry line advancing through east Oklahoma and east Texas with a chance of strong to severe storms in advance of that. But for Alabama Sunday, again, warm, dry, partially sunny, low 80s are likely. Now, Monday, the surface low near St. Louis, showers and thunderstorms creeping in here during the day. The instability values continue to come up in modeling here. And also we note there's a fair amount of shear. This is the 0 to 1 kilometer storm relative helicity, and you can see some fairly high values over the northern half of the state. And here's a look at the crossover from the surface up to 500 millibars, and you can see the veering of the wind with altitude. So I think after looking at this, the SPC will probably put in at least a marginal risk of severe storms for the state on Monday with a chance of hail, strong winds, and there might even be a brief isolated tornado based on these parameters we're seeing. So keep that in mind. We'll fine-tune the risk as we go through the weekend. Then Tuesday, the front stalls out near Interstate 20. Better chance of showers and storms south of Interstate 20. The northern third of the state would be dry. And the next wave comes in here Wednesday. And this might bring the more significant severe weather threat next week. And you can see pretty impressive instability values. This is suggesting Cape values could be around 2,000 joules per kilogram Wednesday of next week. And you see that in mid-March. That's typically a sign of trouble. So just be aware. Wednesday could be a severe weather day for the state. Maybe heavy rain as well. Thursday, the system is on the way out. The sky will clear. And this is a week from today, Friday the 19th, troughing north and east of the state. And we are dry with seasonal temperatures if this verifies. We'll go out 10 days, Monday, March the 22nd, zonal flow, new trough back in the western states, and if this is right, the weather is rain-free. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble. This is valid through March the 27th. The mean about 4 inches. And understand, it's supposed to be wet and stormy this time of the year. This is typically a very active month. Temperatures, highs around 80 for the weekend, 70s for the first half of next week, and then we fall back in the 60s for Thursday and Friday of next week. And hot off the presses, the brand new CPC outlook. This is March 20th through March the 26th, and if this verifies, temperatures here would be a little above average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. My next video will be posted here by 7 o'clock Monday morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.
Join the American Meteorological Society by becoming a member of the band. The AMS Weather Band is a global community of weather enthusiasts dedicated to learning and sharing their love of science. Visit amsweatherband.org to learn more and join the band today.